Solve the equation 1/3 of 5x minus 2 is equal to 1/4 of 3 minus 2x. So let's write that down first of all. Right, what we've got to realise here is that we're multiplying by 1/3. It might be easier to rewrite the equation, rewrite this, because multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So rewrite this equation as 5x minus 2 divided by 3. And the same here, multiplying by 1/4 is the same as dividing by 4. So write this as 3 minus 2x divided by 4. Right, this type of equation where you've got one thing over the other here is solved by what's known as cross multiplying. So what you do is you take the 4 and you bring it up here in front of this one, and the 3 and you put it up in front of this one. So you get 4 brackets 5x minus 2 is equal to 3 times 3 minus 2x, and that has the effect of removing the denominators. Basically what you're doing here, in fact, is multiplying both of these equations by 12, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then 12 divided by 4 is 3. That's what you're actually doing. Right, then you expand the brackets. So we're going to get 4 times 5x, which is 20x, 4 times minus 2, which is minus 8, 3 times 3, which is 9, and 3 times minus 2x, which is minus 6x. Then what you do is you look at 20x and minus 6x, which is the smallest, this one. What is the opposite of subtracting 6? That is to 6x. That is to add 6x. So now I add 6x to this side. 20 plus 6x gives 26. Still got the minus 8. Is equal to 9 minus 6x plus 6x. These cancel out. You're just left with 9. Right, the opposite of subtracting 8 is to add 8 to both sides. So this side you're just going to get 26x. And then 9 plus 8 gives you 17. And then now what we're going to do is divide both sides by 26. And get that x is equal to 17 over 26. Now, because this doesn't really cancel down, just leave the fraction like that. That is an exact answer. Okay, so it's been a video to show you how to solve an equation where you have to actually cross multiply. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.